Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I am excited to share with you my next toy home decor. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to welcome you. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video and be a part of what we're doing. I am going to create a home decor, and I'm using this megaphone to create the home decor. Now, this is going to be very tall, so I believe you can have it on your table, but you can also have it on the ground. Should be perfectly fine. What you will need for this project, and it's all in my head, guys. I went to the toy department from the Dollar Tree and just came up with ideas that I want to share with you guys. So we're going to do them together. You will need 2 of the megaphone and these little balls. I'm not sure what they're for. They've got like liquid in them and some little glitter in it. I chose the pink because it went well with the mega. I don't know why I even did that because we're gonna change the color. But I love the fact that it lit up. I thought that was so cute. I know the silliness in me. But we're not even going to use the light because we're going to spray paint. But I thought that was cute. So let's get started. I guess the silliness is coming out today. And I must apologize for yesterday. I was going to do a DIY and it's just so cold. Didn't feel like going outside to paint. Today it's cold again, but I want to be a person of character and I want to start the new year out right. So I will go out in the cold and paint it today. I really didn't feel like it yesterday. I should have, but I didn't. Alright, so I'm going to take all these things off, all the tags off, and spray paint and come back and show you what it looks like. So what you will need is your megaphones, a little ball, you know, check it out, see whichever fits best. But this one with the little lights, let's do it again. I like that. I like it a lot. I hope I'll be able to get the paint off and be able to do something with that ball. But you will need 2 megaphones, the little glitter ball, a glue gun, your glue sticks, and scissors. And we'll get started. Alright, I'll see you in a bit once I will choose what color and then I'll let you know. Okay guys, so I went ahead and removed all the tags that was there, and you can use a blow dryer or you can soak it in water, either way, but I wanted to glue this together before I go ahead and spray paint. So I wanted to do that on camera with you guys so you're not missing anything. So basically you're going to take the mouthpiece of the megaphone, add your glue, and be very generous because, like I always say, you want to leave room to be able to make it to the other side without your glue drying on you. Okay. Now I'm going to take it, and it fits perfectly because that was one of the things I checked before I left the store to make sure that it does fit perfectly on the inside. So just hold it there till it glues, and let's see what it looks like. I love that. I guess the kid in me is coming out. Okay, so that's fairly good. Guess that could be a project in itself, couldn't it? Just like that. But no, that's not what we're going to do. Even though I would have liked to have had it straight, it's not quite straight. I may have to remove this. Oh, there we go. Let's see, do I need to add more glue? I don't think so. But I'm going to paint it anyway, so let me just add, since I moved it a little bit, add a little bit more glue to secure. Because if I really like this project, I think I may keep it. Alright, I think it's beautiful. I think it looks great. Like I said, we're not even going to see it really. Want to do the same with the top. Be very generous with the glue again, going all the way around. Press it on top. And I must mention that this idea is similar to the one that I did before from Z Gallery. I know I've done that twice already, but I do love it. And this is the larger version, because when I saw this megaphone, I thought, wow, I wish I'd seen that before I used the glass. But nevertheless, I think it is extremely close to the one that Z Gallery has. And this is a larger version. So you can put this down on the ground, or you can leave it. I mean, it's up to you if you want to keep the pink. I don't. You can even, they have it in purple, and purple is in right now, so you could use purple if you want to as well. But I am going to spray paint the whole thing black, and then I am going to use a texture, because I find that this year I'm all about the texture. So let's go ahead, spray paint, come back and see what we have. Okay guys, so I just spray painted it red. I decided to go with red, of course, because it's Valentine's. And just my regular Walmart spray paint. And I'm going to use a textured paint to spray on top. And I've used it before. It's really nice. I used it on picture frames, and it just gives you a really nice texture. It looks. So I'm going to go ahead and see how well. It's very windy and freezing out here, so I don't know how it's going to work. But I'm going to go ahead, do the texture, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I spray painted, and I must tell you it took a while for it to dry. This texture is very wet when it comes out, so it did take a while to dry. It's color text, and it just adds texture, and I really like the texture. I used it on a picture frame before and absolutely love the way it turned out. I'll probably do a DIY to demonstrate that. So I did tape it up only because I want to add in certain places. Oh, I think I'm missing my... that's gonna be pretty thick. I want to add some diamond wrap as usual, and I taped it off so that I could have that space to add the diamond wrap. So let's see. I love it, guys. I hope you do too. I hope you can see that. I'm gonna have to add thick areas. I probably should have took the tape off before it completely dried. It would have made a big difference. Nevertheless, we'll make it work because we are creative. Okay. and it's also down below. So I'm going to go ahead, remove my tape, add my diamond wrap, and I'll be back so that I'm not going over on my recording. I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished it. Add the diamond wrap. And I think it turned out well. I hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts on it. I appreciate it. It's a really tall one. You can put it on a table or you can leave it on the ground just like it is now. I think for a toy, it turned out really well. Give me a thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber, I hope that you would subscribe to my channel, become a part of our family. I appreciate your time and I look forward to your comments and your thumbs up. Have a blessed day and I will see you tomorrow.